Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am answering one of the most common questions ever. How do I create a website? If you are ever built on before, don't worry. I will break it down step by step in just a few minutes. So first of all, you just need to pick your purpose of why you need a website. Decide what your website is for. Is it a blog, a professional portfolio, an online store, or a business site? Knowing your goal helps you choose the right tools and design. Write down a few pages you will need, like home, about, contract, or shop. Now then you just need to get a domain and hosting. So getting a domain hosting is really simple. You need a domain name, that's your website address, like mywebsite.com. For that reason you can choose Hostinger provide cheapest domain over that place, so you can purchase hosting and domain from that place. But if you are using Shopify, then you don't need any hosting. They give you the hosting plan, you just need a domain. So then when you purchase your domain, you just need to be connected to it. And if you're using any other platform like WordPress, then you will need web hosting too. This is where your website files will live, so people can visit your site anytime. You can get both from companies like Bluehost, Hostinger, or GoDaddy. They make it easy to buy a domain and hosting together. Then you just need to choose how to build it. Now it's time to build. Most beginners use a website builder like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, and even Shopify. They are user friendly and don't need coding. If you were starting an online store, platform like Shopify or BigCommerce are great too. Just pick a template you will customize it with your text, image, and pages, and you are up there. Now let's talk about add content and customization. So once you have the structure, it's adding your content, like write your pages, homes, about, contract, add image, videos, or blog if you want. Test your links and buttons to make sure everything works. Most builders have a drag and drop editor, super easy to move things around until it looks right. Then once you find out that your website creation has been done, finally when you are happy with how it looks, just hit publish. Your site is now live for world to see. Congrats, you are just created your own website. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly tech tips, and drop a comment if you would like a full step by step tutorials next.